Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a speed test comparison of two smartphones in the sub 20k price segment. We have the Infinix Zero 8i which is launched recently with the Helio G90T octa-core processor, and we also have the Poco X3, one of the really popular devices in this price segment with the Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor. So let's just take the settings of these two devices. So about phone, you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i has the Helio G90T, and it has the XOS based on Android 10, XOS version 7, and here we have the Snapdragon 732G and the MIUI version Global 12.0.5, and again this is Android 10 as well. So both the devices have Android 10, the UI is different. The Helio G90T with the Snapdragon 732G. So that's what we are going to test. So we'll just clear off all the apps from the background. So there you go, you can see that everything is cleared off. Let's also see the network connections. So there you go, you can see that both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and both are also in the airplane mode. So we're gonna start the speed test here, and we'll be opening these 16 apps. So we'll just clear off all the apps in the background once again. So let's start the speed test to see which is able to load these apps faster, and in the second round we'll come back and see the memory management of these two devices. So let's start with Asphalt 9. So both the devices have the gaming mode enabled, so by default both are running in the gaming mode. So let's see which is able to load these games faster. So here again you can see that the Zero 8i is much faster than the Poco X3 in terms of opening the game. So almost like 3-4 seconds difference is there between these two devices. So Infinix Zero 8i is the clear winner. Next is Temple Run. So let's see which is able to load Temple Run faster. So here again you can see that the Zero 8i is faster in loading Temple Run. Next is Play Store. Again Zero 8i is faster. Chrome browser. Again the Zero 8i is faster. Facebook. Again Zero 8i is faster. Twitter. Again you can see that the Zero 8i is faster. Instagram. Again Zero 8i is faster. Ghana. Again you can see that the Zero 8i is faster. Amazon. 8i is faster. Flipkart. Again you can probably say that completely loaded Poco X3, slightly faster, not by a huge margin. File Manager. Again Zero 8i is faster. Settings. Again Zero 8i is faster. YouTube was faster on the Poco X3. Gmail. Again it is faster on the Zero 8i. Camera is faster on the Zero 8i, and finally Maps. Here probably almost same time, not much of a difference. So what you could see that the Infinix Zero 8i is definitely faster in terms of app performance when compared to the Poco X3. So here you could see that the Zero 8i with the Helio G90T outperformed the Poco X3 in terms of app performance. So that's the app performance. Now next let's see the memory management test of these two devices. So we'll be opening the apps in the reverse order. So let's see which is able to retain all these apps. So Maps, both have retained. Camera, both have retained. Gmail, both have retained. YouTube, both have retained. Settings, both have retained. File Manager is retained. Flipkart is retained. Amazon is retained. Ghana is reloaded on the Poco X3. Instagram again reloaded on the Poco X3. Twitter is reloaded on both the devices. Facebook is reloaded on the Poco X3 while it's retained on the Zero 8i. Chrome available on both the devices. Play Store available on both the devices. Temple Run is reloaded on both the devices. Here again you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i is much faster in terms of loading of the game. So Helio G90T definitely helps in that. Now let's see the final app, which is Asphalt 9. So here again you can see both have reloaded Asphalt 9. But if you look at the overall memory management test, the Infinix Zero 8i was able to keep more apps in the memory than the Poco X3. So memory management, definitely we feel the Infinix Zero 8i has advantage. So here if you look at the speeders, you could see that the Infinix Zero 8i is definitely faster in terms of opening of apps. Again, what I would say that this is not a completely perfect test. This is just we're just creating a real life situation where you open these apps on a regular basis. So just it's a test to just identify the performance. Is not a completely perfect test. Obviously, it depends upon a lot of criteria. So just in test to get an idea about the app performance and memory management of these two devices. So here we would say the Infinix Zero 8i is the winner of these two devices. So that is a speed test comparison of the Infinix Zero 8i with the Poco X3. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.